Psalm 2. Unfortunate news. Our friend began said game, Psalm 2, and we already started completion. Found dead. So we're gonna have to go see. That's stupid, bro.
We're going to be playing one person on mouse, one person on keyboard.
So we're not gonna be able to maneuver at all if it gets scary.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, this is room 1? Wait, so just
Room 1.
so basically we played like a little bit and then we got scared and then we're like, yo, this TS would be a banger video, bro.
It would be a big video. Let's go look around. We go to like 417.
I don't think there's 417. Should we go to floor 4?
Maybe.
Bit check before the video. That'd be tough.
Okay. So let's do like 6.
I went to work.
It's gonna take us the same one, isn't it?
No, shit, that's not how it works. I said go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 8, 7, 6.
But you have a point. Like, why doesn't it do the normal thing?
Between 5 and 6.
1 floor.
Hold on, this is that one. I remember this.
Oh, floor 1.
So there's this guy who blew this guy. Is there a light switch?
I don't think so.
What are we supposed to do here?
I don't know. Oh, there it is. Just teach us this new. Oh, he's gone.
That one wasn't very scary, guys. We're locked in. Okay, I'm not seeing anything. Wait, can we go interact with white people obsessed with the black guy?
I'm sorry, what?
Yeah, I think so. So let's not go to floor 2.
Let's go to floor 7.
2 floor.
Oh, we have to go in order. I don't think we pick.
What? We're flying to Philadelphia! Oh, hell no! That's the hell no! Whoa!
Oh, we just go to.
Wait, so let's see if I click up here.
Whoa!
It's scary. Okay, so we're gonna walk in here and we're gonna ASAP the light switch, bro. Go, 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 go. Yoka. Pop out. Do not get close.
No, I'm gonna go kiss him. Go kiss him.
I don't like this.
Yeah, you like this game.
Oh, we don't. Okay, so we have to go back there first. Okay, let's go. Watch your chin. Watch your chin. That's my thought. Okay, now I've got to go back here, right? Speed running.
No, I don't think we can go back there without the flashlight.
I think. Wait, stop moving. Oh, God, that was.
Yo.
So which one?
Whose shoes are those? Who threw away their shoes? Like, why are we leaving our shoes in this situation?
Lights good. Alright, let's go. This part is very spooky. Shiver me timbers.
Spooky,
So
scary.
we're just gonna lock it real quick here.
Shiver me timbers. Why are we playing?
You know that like one Instagram gif where it's like that one like
speed reaction where he's like,
yeah, no, I was gonna say like the one where it's like the guy is like cool.
jump scared up.
I don't want to find out if you can jump scare a slime. Okay, go. There's a flashlight. Let's strip it.
Why?
Damn. But dude, we are in the hood right now. This is worse than the hood.
This is worse than the What? You have to hit continue.
No, I was confused about we broke the game. Oh, never mind. And then, okay, so Judah, don't help me because he's gonna be around the corner, but it's not scary. See, it's not scary. We're locked in.
Mm-hmm.
Now,
I hate doing that.
cut it. We can't say that. Okay. Watch we can.
I'll just like, I'll
unfazed. You ain't scary, gang. I'm knocking down the door. I thought. It's a new one.
That is a new one.
I'm not a fan. Up. Yeah, I guess let's go back. Then TS door open. Yup. We're gonna walk in there unfazed because the ops are not real.
You stupid.
The ops are not real. What is that guy behind the cage?
No, he's fine. He's chill.
Yeah.
That's just
Hey,
that's
crowbar.
That's just Jamel, bro. He's
Yeah,
chill.
Jamil.
Yeah.
What do we use the crowbar on now? What do we use the crowbar on?
If I remember from
You jumped too hard for sound effects.
dude, sound like they're scared. Okay, let's go. Now for the. This is where we stopped because it was very spooky, scary skeletons type of vibe. Pause again. Pause again.
So why are we going into the room with scary?
Well, he's already out of the room.
No, we didn't know that.
No, but he was like behind us when we got the flashlight.
That could have been a different guy.
That would be really unfortunate. And they just like what's the word? Like segregate this one.
Yeah.
I'm really scared. Looky.
Oh, no. Oh, let's keep going.
So, off the sound cues I'm hearing, this is like Rainbow Six Siege, Counter-Strike, whatever else, Apex,
Yeah.
You can hear him flanking us, but I'm not sure what direction. Shut up!
So, gang,
We're gonna get slammed down.
turn. You get ready to turn.
Which way? Left?
Left. No, at the wall. Where are we?
You stupid.
Oh no. I was it?
You're too scared.
He's gonna jump us. They take the mouse, bro. I can't do it.
No, we gotta push it all the way through.
Ooh.
Go in there.
Let me slip.
So cute.
Walk down. Oh no.
I can't get down there. Can I crawl? No, I can't. Oh, we gotta bring him something to eat. I'm just walking places.
Wait, go put this in front of us. This is the method. Hey, she can't move. Like, he's good. Save. Reposition TS.
The physics engine goes crazy.
Oh, we're locked. He can't get through. Obviously, bro, because you can get through there. But like a little gap.
No, really.
Ooh, that's really unfortunate. Wait, what did we do?
What are we supposed to get?
Just trying to interact. Maybe.
Oh,
Awesome.
so let's go back. Let's go get the food. Come on. You know where to
Is he still
go.
in there? Touch. Okay, he's good. See, the chair's safe though.
Oh. Don't try hitting the light switch. It is dead. No, you don't get your safety barriers.
A nigga that be the gun, man, the bitch I need. If I go broke, I'm taking your funds, girl, bitch I need. Yeah, you the whole book on how to get rich, and you ain't even read. Jennifer Friday, my business, the high, my business, the boy I eat him. She don't even want no food, it's dick, the only thing I feed him. This bitch stop, there's no way, cause I'm a kid. I made 100K and 100 ways, cause that's what I eat. Keep it 100.
Pause it.
No, grab it, go. Go. My heart rate. Move! Oh! I hated that. Eject the mouse, please.
Please, sir. Please, sir. Oh, calm down. You're actually freaky. You're actually weird, dude.
Let's go back to the... Can you see anything? I can't see anything. Let's go back.
Oh, hell no!
Oh, really? Actually, bro. Oh, dude.
Look back, look back. We can't keep ourselves vulnerable. We gotta stay locked.
I can't see a bit.
No, I can't either. Did we go through?
I heard you hear that. That's the one here. Bro, so we feed him and he's still something. Whoa, what is it actually like, bro? He's actually like weird. Dude, this guy.
Should we try to open them with the crowbar?
I can't. Okay, I'm gonna spin back this way. Can't wait.
Do we go back?
Yo, yeah. All this for 6 views. Bro, what is this?
Look up.
Killing me?
Look up.
Pause it.
No.
No. Here. Wait, what's her? No, that's the chair didn't stop. I just realized.
What did I press? I opened a new desktop. How did I do that? What?
Killed this up. That was scary. Windows plus control plus the left here. Or Windows key. Oh, okay. Bro, freak that.
Flipping all that bags, all that dope, see that gas. Burning all that cash, she got that rollie, sending me the fine bro. She's kicking all that coke, and that sound about that talk, top of the best, that's on me, roll. Chips smash, throw them hands back, cash, rep that saber game. Man, sell that pack so loud, yeah, that checker game. Stacking on his hand again, stacking on this flex again. Cocky post on Princess Lane, popping on that stick rope like bombs.